Hello everyone, I bought a SMT placement machine from Xautolab. Model is X1 Pro. I think it's quite convenient to use. Then I recorded a simple video, mainly about PCB soldering paste brushing and the basic operation of control software. Then I used the heating table to heat the PCB board. I made this bracket myself. It's a simple bracket. Now I'm applying the solder paste. Because my heating table can only heat up to 4 at a time, so I brush the solder paste one by one. Solder paste one by one can improve the quality. Turn it over and take a look. The effect is still very good. Basically, it is perfect. Then put the PCB with tin paste on the placement machine. Because this is a magnetic structure, so it's quite convenient. It will be fixed firmly once it is inserted. After starting, the machine will automatically calibrate the control points and the distance between the nozzles. Before SMT placements start working, check the position of each feeder and the position of the automatic feeder. Then we check the automatic feeder. Look, after the last soldering, it's still very accurate. And now it's time to check the feeder. Then open the PCB board to be assembled. Then mark the PAB board, or component positioning calibration. Then I set 2 components here as the calibration reference point. It is recommended to calibrate 2 at an angle. Calibrate the second one. Then click Apply to Current Board. Then the PCB is calibrated. You can click on a few components to correspond. Then the machine starts to place components. Then let's see the machines working. Now the machine has started to work. I set the speed to 20% here. If the speed is 100%, it will be very fast. Look, the components are still relatively stable. SMT completed. Let's take a look at the effect of the placement. The actual sound of the machine is not loud, because I put it on the table, so it sounds louder. I'm using a Reflow soldering heating table, and I just put 4 pieces on it. Now it starts to reflow and heat. Long press to start reflow soldering. Now it enters the second heating state, constant temperature state. It will keep at 170 degrees for a while. Now it enters the reflow state. The tin will slowly turn into solder, and then the components will be aligned. The placement machine has placed them very accurately. But after reflow soldering, the components will be more accurate. Let's take a piece to see the effect of the placement. The components are very straight, and there is no mistake. Basically, there is no inclination. Finally, I will introduce to you. I printed some accessories with a 3D printer. This feeder was given when I bought the machine. I printed a cover for the camera of the machine to prevent dust from entering, and for the visual feeder, I also printed a cover which can also prevent dust from entering. Then there are some grids, which can hold some dividers and chips, which is quite useful. Thank you for watching.